Hi, my name's Gavin, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to teach you the 8 things you need to know before buying a jewelry organizer. According to statistics, the average woman spends an hour each day in front of the mirror. When you consider the fact you've got 24 hours a day, 8 of which should be spent sleeping and another 8 at school or work, it seems like we're spending a lot of time getting ready and trying to look good. Of course, the simple and easy solution to this is to buy a jewelry cabinet and organize all your precious gems and makeup in one spot. Alright jewelry lovers, here are 8 things you need to know before buying a jewelry organizer. And hey, before you start collecting those earrings of yours, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on post notifications to join the world of Lux Fernie. So here's everything you need to know. Number 1, capacity. First things first. You need to determine the capacity of the jewelry cabinet you need. Also, you might want to consider the pace at which your collection is growing. You don't want to be buying another jewelry organizer all because you underestimated how much you have. Alright, don't start running to the mall just yet. Number 2, factor in your jewelry collection. Factoring in your jewelry collection is as easy as making a list of how much you have. Try to consider how many pieces of jewelry you are holding. Trust us, this will allow you to determine the size and capacity of a jewelry cabinet you need. If you are the type to layer rings and necklaces, you better choose one that has ample slots and hooks for these. But wait, hold your horses. Number 3, protection. Grime and moisture can cause serious deterioration on your jewelry, so you need to take extra care. Make sure to clean your jewelry once in a while. Store it in a padded jewelry organizer that keeps moisture away. Premium jewelry organizers come with luscious velvet interiors, so you might want to take a look at this before anything else. After all, protecting your jewelry from damage is the main reason why we're doing this, right? Number 4, aesthetics. If you are a woman who knows what she wants, then this is the easy part. Premium jewelry organizers like Lux Fernie come in different styles. You wouldn't want to put a modern style jewelry organizer in your country style bedroom, would ya? Don't forget, your jewelry cabinet is the centerpiece of your vanity area. It should stand out. Number 5, material and durability. Just like any precious jewelry, you should check out the quality of the organizer you plan to get. You will come across these choices like plastic, wood, glass, polymer clay, and enamel. Choose one that complements your collection. If you are into costume pieces, perhaps plastic is the best choice for you, but if you are into collectibles, then choose one that is made of wood. Number 6, lock and key. Now that you figure out the size and material for your jewelry organizer, it is time to talk about security. Jewelry organizers will offer you the options whether to lock it up or not. Now is the right time for you to evaluate the price tag of what you have. If you are a big costume jewelry fan, then there isn't really a need for you to lock it up. Otherwise, choose one with a lock. And hey, don't forget a spare keys before you go. Number 7, types of jewelry organizer. Before you go online and pick a jewelry organizer, you should already know where you want to put it. So, first off, look around you. Do you lack space? Do you want to mount it to the wall and create a vanity area? Or you might want to check out the floor standing jewelry organizer with full-length mirror. You should go for this if you have ample space at home. Another great option for you is the door hang jewelry cabinet. This is perfect for those who don't want to puncture holes in their walls and have limited space. Number 8, LED lights. I mean, who doesn't love LED lights? If you feel like a diva every day, then you need to get this. No questions asked. Putting on your makeup with excellent lighting is every woman's fantasy. Choose one with LED strip for shadow-free lighting. So what do you think of these? Tell us in the comment section below, and we will see you next time.